Hello world, Shelly here, and today I've got for you another Dia & Co. try-on haul. If you are unfamiliar with Dia, they are a personal styling service for plus sizes 14 and up, and you pay a $20 styling fee. The stylist will then choose up to 5 items to send you, brand new items. You try them on in the comfort of your home over the period of 5 days, and if you decide to keep anything, then you will get that $20 styling fee credited back to you. And if you decide to keep the whole box, you will get an additional 25% discount off the cost of the items. If you want to send anything back, the shipping is prepaid. It's a wonderful service. You can set up whatever frequency you want for receiving Dia boxes. I receive them every other month. I've been doing this for going on 2 years now. I love Dia & Co. One of the best things is that they keep you with the same stylist. So once you find a stylist that, works with your own personal tastes, and they will check your socials. Like I set up a Pinterest board for things that I called my style for my stylist to go on and, look at to get inspiration for the types of things that I like. Once you find one that works, you get to stick with the same stylist, which is awesome because not only do they know your whole back catalog of things that you've ordered from them, but they kind of get to know you and your preferences and your sizing and the quirks in your sizing, and it's all really, really good. So I've had the same stylist for a while now, and I don't know how to pronounce her name. I call her Naya. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong, but she has been wonderful in the past handful of boxes that I've gotten. So every time you get a Dia box, you get a note from your stylist, and let's see what Naya had to say this time. She says, "Hi Shelly, how are you? I hope your fall season is going well. I've picked some fantastic new styles that I think you'll absolutely adore. Now, I requested that this box have some plaids in them because I love plaid. I love red plaid, especially for Christmas time, the holidays, etc. So I requested red plaid." And she says, "First up is this tartan plaid dress, which will be perfect to wear with your black Juno Rose moto jacket from my box right before I left for Ireland, and classic ballet flats for a date night." So I styled it the way she suggested. I've got the dress, I've got the moto jacket that I got in one of my previous Dia boxes, and black flats, and I think this is really cute. I really need to iron the dress if I decide to keep it, but this is a keeper. Everything fit well, and I think styling it with the moto jacket and flats was the way to go to keep it looking a little more edgy than frumpy, because I think this kind of fabric can have a tendency to look frumpy if you go for like a less tailored kind of look, I guess. So thumbs up to Naya on that suggestion. The other thing I love about Dia & Co. is that I'm not really good at fashion to begin with, so I can take the tips that she provides and then apply them to my shopping on my own elsewhere and apply it to the rest of my closet. It works really well. So this one worked well, it fit well, I like it. So this dress is from Molly and Isadora. It's the Anato sleeveless yarn dye fit and flare dress in burgundy, size 20, and the retail price is $65. Continuing on Naya's note here, she says, "Since you're a fan of red plaids, I've included this checkered button-down shirt, which will be great to layer over a cami with these black skinny jeans and sneakers." So I styled it just as she said, wearing a black cami. Now, my first thought with the red checkered shirt is that it's too small to button in the front. I could button it, but it would be tugging. It would be tight around my belly. But it fits everywhere else. And as I was thinking about the way she suggested styling it, I'm thinking this might be one of those style shirts that you're supposed to wear open, that you're not supposed to button up. It's not really intended to be a full button-down shirt like that. So I have styled it like that, and I like it. I've decided that I like it this way. And I don't really like buttoning button-down shirts anyway, so this style tip and the approach to this outfit worked really well. The black skinny jeans fit very nicely. They are stretchy kind of material, not quite jeggings, they're jeans for sure, but they've got some spandex in them. So the skinny jean is also from Molly and Isadora. This is the Leroy skinny jean in black, size 18, and the retail price is $65. And the shirt is from Juno Rose. This is the Spindle Checks button-down shirt in red and black. Size 20, retail price $49. Then she says, or you can rock these jeans with the purple pullover sweater, the floral print scarf, and ankle boots as the weather cools down. So I tried that, and you know, anytime you give me a zipper detail, I am all over it. Naya has kind of figured out some of my quirks and the things that I love. I have a hard time, especially turning down a silver zipper. Silver zippers, they just get me. So I liked this combo as well. I have been getting into scarves. Last winter was the first time I had ever worn a scarf like that as a fashion accessory, and I invested in a few scarves last winter, 2 or 3, and I had mentioned in my last note to Naya that I'd be cool with scarves. I'm trying to build my collection of scarves, so she sent me a scarf this time around. I wear a lot of purple, so, you know, I teach at JMU, colors are purple and gold, so totally dig the scarf, totally dig the sweater. I already said the jeans were good, so looking at the prices on these, the sweater is from Mary Sky. It's the Iceland crisscross hem zipper sweater in purple, size 2X, retail price $65, and the Lake Washington scarf in pink and purple, retail $29. So, at the end of the day, let's look at the numbers. The merchandise total, if you added up the entire box, is $273. Now, let's go with the items. Am I going to keep them? The plaid dress, yeah, it's cute. I like it. It fits. It's going to be, I had it with black leggings. It's going to be perfect for wintertime and layering, but in the summertime, skip the leggings. It's sleeveless. It'll work. The jeans, yes, I have a hard time finding jeans that have a low enough rise that are comfortable on me because low rise is not cool anymore, and that's just the way my body likes to wear jeans. So I tend to keep any jean I can find that fits my rise properly or close to properly, and Naya has also figured that out, so she sends me jeans that have a lower rise. So I'm definitely keeping the jeans. I've decided that I like the plaid button-down shirt, even though it doesn't button. I don't think it's supposed to button, and I'm not going to wear it that way anyway, so I'm keeping this for Christmas time. The scarf and the purple sweater, definitely keeping them. So let's break it all down. If I buy the whole box, I will get my styling fee of $20 credited back, and 25% off gives me another $68.25 discount for a grand total for the whole box of $184.75. If you break that down on a flat average, it ends up being like $38 a piece for each of the 5 items. I'm totally okay with that. That works for me. The thing with Dia is that sometimes it can be pricey if you want 3 items out of the box and you don't want all 5, because that's kind of what happened to me here. I was going to eliminate the checkered shirt, and the discount of $68 ends up being more than the cost of the checkered shirt, and even if I picked a second item to not get, for a few more bucks I could have the whole box. So I'm getting the whole box, I'm keeping the whole box. It's another successful Dia & Co. box. I am so glad that Naya has figured me out. My wallet's not so glad, but I'm glad. My closet is glad. I'm keeping it all. So there you go, another Dia & Co. haul and try on. If you are interested in checking out Dia & Co., I will put a link down below. It is my affiliate link, so I get $5 off my next box if you order a box through my link. But I recommend them regardless of how you get to their website or if you use my link or not. I absolutely love Dia & Co. This service has been fantastic for me. And do you like fashion try-ons? Do you like fashion hauls? Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this or you want to see more of these. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over fashion with me this time. I hope you'll come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time for more videos. And I hope you all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.